In my career, often I've been the only woman in the room, but really that never stopped my determination to succeed. Hi, I'm Houda Hadiji and I am Lam. I was born and raised in Tunisia, North Africa. My parents taught me that you have to fight for everything worth having in this life. 2 months before 9/11, I moved to the United States to pursue my MBA in San Jose State and finance. It was a tough time for me, being a Muslim woman, miles away from family. Being far away from home and pursuing an MBA in a different country, getting married, taught me that I was not as fragile as I thought I was, but I was rather resilient. I joined Lam in 2010 as a financial analyst. Transitioning from finance to ops was really a major change for me because it's taught me to step out of my comfort zone and try new things. I'm currently a senior director of sales and operation. I manage the company revenue and deals with my team. I really love my job because there's always an opportunity to learn and there's never a dull moment. Throughout my career at Lam, I had strong mentors and managers who empowered me, believed in me, and trusted me with greater responsibilities. In my 16-year career in the semiconductor industry, I often was the only woman in the room, but that was not really a problem for me. As long as you have something to add, you always have a seat at the table regardless if you are a man or a woman. My name is Houda Hadiji and I am Lam.